From this tree map, you can see that there is a tooltip that shows key information such as gender, age, diet group, impact percentage, and population percentage. From the observation, I noticed that size has a significant influence on how high the impact is, as you can see from the box with a large population, which tends to have a high impact. For example, females aged 20 to 39 who consume veggies have a relatively high environmental impact. However, I have found that the highest impact is found in males aged 70 to 79 who consume veggies despite having a small population size. Therefore, the population is not the only significant factor that contributes to the overall impact. On the right side of the map, you can see a filter bar with sex, age group, and diet group, where you can customize the data that you would like to see. For example, you can filter the data to see the environmental impact of females aged 20 to 29 who consume fish and meat.